Most people get this wrong. They assume Next Day USA Pay is just another quick cash app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's a fully featured financial tool offering early wage access, flexible installment options, and personalized spending insights to help users manage money more effectively. Here's how it works. Next Day USA Pay lets you access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday, often within hours. This is perfect for covering unexpected bills, urgent expenses, or emergencies without relying on high-interest credit cards. The app also allows certain purchases to be split into smaller installments, helping you manage larger expenses without straining your monthly budget. The platform is intuitive and easy to navigate. You can track advances, monitor repayment schedules, and view spending insights to make smarter financial decisions. Notifications ensure you don't miss any payments, avoiding fees, and keeping your finances on track. The downside, overuse can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments may result in fees, so it's best used as a short-term solution rather than a long-term financial strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications to track due dates. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh convenience. In conclusion, Next Day USA Pay in 2026 is practical and flexible, but only if used responsibly. Track spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and tips to help you stay financially in control.